Hello everybody. Today is, as promised, is gonna be on a review two models. It's gonna be comparison between Solido and Sunstar. And today on a review is two models, two car models in 1/18 scale. It's Subaru. Both are Subaru Imprezas. We will gonna start from lower rate brand. It's gonna be a Solido. Today I will gonna open these models and gonna make a full review of them. I'm gonna remove straps because these models are gonna be connected together. Some parts will gonna go on other model, and from these two models I will gonna create Subaru VRX 1995 but already tuned version. So let's get into it. Box is looking like that. At the end I will gonna show, when I'm gonna finish the car, I will gonna show how this model will gonna be looking like at the end when I'm gonna finish this project. It will gonna take a while, but in the future videos you will gonna see already finished project of this Subaru Impreza already prepared. What is gonna go for one person's collection for addition to his original car. So let's take out of the box. I will gonna unscrew this car and gonna go around. Because these both models will gonna be totally disassembled and demolished, and from two of them is gonna be gonna be made only one Frankenstein. So here it is. Here is a strap underneath. I will gonna remove it straight away because I'm definitely will not gonna need this. And probably boxes I will gonna need to get rid of. Only one box I will gonna leave it. That's it. This is going on the side. So that's a Solido version Subaru Impreza. That's how it looks underneath. What I can say about this model. This model is beautifully presented as a auto style models. But what I don't like them here is only opening doors and nothing else. Plus this is a coupe version with two doors. This person have four doors Subaru. This person have four doors Subaru, and I will gonna need add some parts from this car model to another model, and let's finish it with this one, and I will gonna make a review for Sunstar model. So that's how it looks interior. Seats are not folding, in blue and black color. Front lamps, you can see front lamps are quite square. Yeah, this is 1995 version, and front is looking like exactly this person who ordered this model. So probably all these front lamps this air intakes I will gonna need to take out and apply it to another model. So here it is, spoiler as well. So here it is. That's how it looks. And now I will gonna make a review of an Subaru Impreza, but this is already Sunstar version. It's 1996 Subaru, exactly the same Subaru, but this is rally version. And we will gonna make a comparison in between these two models. That's brand new model, never opened, sealed with original straps. So it's gonna be quite difficult to remove from the box. I will gonna struggle a bit to remove it. Oh, here it is. Take out. Now I will gonna need to do exactly this, what I've done at the previous model, and we're gonna need to remove it from the box, unscrew it and remove straps. So it will gonna take a bit time. Last. Oh, here it is. So I will gonna need to cut off this both. First time from factory removed. One more. Another one. And as you see, ooh, what's this? That's the scoops from top. They can be pulled up, yeah. They can be pulled up as air intakes. That's the roof scoops. Like one and another. But anyway, the roof is gonna be solid without nothing. So that's the model. And this is a rally version. Inside have exactly everything done for rally version. As you see on this car model, lamps are circle comparably to this car, yeah. So I will gonna need to fit it from this to this one, because here is everything opens. Here is opens bonnet, 4 doors and boot, and he have similar version to this. I will gonna need to fit it, cut out this bonnet and fit it to this car. Here is a more dark blue color, and let's open it all doors and we will gonna see how presented interior, engine bay with T-form engine. cage, I will gonna need to remove it, security cage, so these two models gonna be totally demolished. So that's how looks interior, inside. Nice, like that. Inside you can see at the back, I'm gonna try to open back doors. Yeah, they are opening. You can see here. Another one. Straps attached. At the back still have seals, but I need to remove it to show you what have in a boot. Look, I just bought it, this model from manufacturer. Yeah, I tried to remove it, seal, and seal went out together with the back lamps. That's how they preparing in factory. But I'm not worried, because this model is anyway gonna be destroyed. So this one stayed on. That's quite difficult opening, but it's opening. Inside is a spare wheel attached with the straps. I will still gonna need to check with owner of other vehicle how his interior is looking. And let's have a look engine bay. So engine bay looks like that. As I see it, this engine is looking similar to this one, so only I will gonna need to make adjustments like painted then engine bay with exact colors like he have. So that's a rally version. I will gonna need to make from rally version, gonna need to make a stock tuned with spoilers, with all this kind of stuff version. Wheels is gonna be totally different. I'm already ordered wheels. It's star spoke wheels in black. And what is the difference between Sunstar and Solido? You see how presented Solido bottom? Yeah, it's just plain plastic. On Sunstar, this model is more detailized. It have security for back, have security for engine bay, and this is showing that this is a rally version. So this model is gonna be for owner. This model is gonna be a donor for another model. So from this model I will gonna take bonnet, gonna take lamps, grill, bumper, spoiler, definitely. And I will gonna need to make adjustments for side skirts, for bottom skirt and lip. It's gonna be lip. For this part I will gonna need to make a scoop painted. Bonnet is gonna be covered in carbon fiber, and wheels is gonna be in black color, but 5-spoke, similar to Ferrari type wheels. I can show you these images how this car is looking originally. I have done it images, and that's how supposed to be. This gonna be, that's a side skirts what's gonna be on this model. That's the front, how the Subaru will gonna look with like this wheels. Like these wheels I'm already get it, so I will gonna need to make spoiler. That's how it's gonna look the front. That's how we're gonna look bonnet. That's the spoke wheels. That's it. So I have original car. That's the spoiler. What's gonna be? That's the back. Interior. That's it. So this kind of model I will gonna need to create from day 2. So here it is. In a future videos, so these 2 models will gonna be demolished. From this we're gonna left only shell. Everything is gonna be removed. After I will gonna put on sale parts for it. And from this, so I will gonna need to remove parts from this car model and apply to this one to create exact what I showed on images. And in the future videos I will gonna show how this model will gonna look already completed. So for today this video was gonna be made from 3 parts, because 2 times was been distracting my video. So in some parts you will gonna see connections, because was been coming people into the shop, and I needed to stop the video, and after I will gonna need to continue from the same point. So don't be angry if you will gonna see some transitions from one video to another. For today I'm done. In the future videos I will gonna show you some more interesting model reviews, and have a good day and bye bye.